8,000 North Carolinians have died from COVID since early 2020. It's according to some data released today.
The virus continues affecting certain pockets of our population more than others. WRAL's investigative data journalist Ali Ingersoll breaks down the numbers for us. Ali.
Michelle, if you think the pandemic is completely over, the data shows we're not in the clear quite yet. More than 50 people died from the virus just in the first week of this year. And the data shows that older North Carolinians continue to be disproportionately affected in the most severe ways, winding up in the hospitals and sometimes not surviving. Over half of the state's population is between 25 and 64 years old. But in the last 3 months, only about 1 out of every 7 people who have died from the virus fell in that age group. Meanwhile, 85% of the people who died from COVID since mid-October were 65 or older, the data shows, despite making up only 17% of the population. While we're starting to see numbers go up again, the data shows we are well below where we were this time last year. At that point, we had more than 400 people dying from COVID every week, and more than 10 times that were in the hospital. Healthcare professionals have said that this is proof that building immunity through herd immunity as well as vaccines is important. The data shows that only 35% of North Carolinians who are 65 or older have received the most updated booster. So staying up on that, the data shows, incredibly important, and doctors say that protecting yourself, no matter what your age, is critical because you don't know who you could be spreading it to, and they might be among some of these people in the vulnerable populations. Michelle.
All right, Ali Ingersoll reporting in studio for us. Thanks, Ali.